Hello guys, how are you today? I hope the things I tell you in this channel are useful for you. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe me. Okay, let's go. At this time, I want to teach you some useful technique in Adobe Photoshop 2020. That technique are about how to increasing the quality of your image and how to move the specific part of your image to another specific part. Let's start it. I open this image with Adobe Photoshop 2020. Okay. For example, I wanna move this part of this image to another part of this image. This is a useful tools here, content aware move tools. So at this part, content aware use tool, move tool, we should select the part we wanna move it and move it here. Press Ctrl Enter, okay, and press Ctrl D for deselecting. So again, I wanna move it. I create a new layer. No, I delete this layer. Press Ctrl G and create a copy from this layer, and I am on new layer. Again, I use content aware move tool. Choose, select the part I wanna move. Okay, I move it and I can press shift and change the size. Press Ctrl Enter and okay, Ctrl D. So at this layer, this bird is here, and then it in the new layer we move it to here. So move it from here to here. Okay. Another technique is this patch tool. You see this one. So I create again a copy from this layer. Press Ctrl J, new layer again. So I want to use patch tool. This is really nice. For example, I want to move this bird to here. Okay, you see, I select the part and move, click it and move it here. I pressing Ctrl E. You see, it is really nice. Again, I wanna create another one. It is not moving, it is create a copy from that part we selected. You see again, no. For example, I want to create a copy of this bird to here. Yes. Press Ctrl D. Again, a copy of this one for here. So press Ctrl D. It is nice. I like it. Again, for this one, press Ctrl D. And the note is, when you wanna create the selected part, you have to careful about the size. I show you an example. For example, I create the selection part, you see small. When I move it, you see I can just create a copy from some part of this bird. I cannot completely copy it. So press Ctrl Z and Ctrl D. Again, you see I said I create a copy from this bird completely. Okay, so at the end, I wanna tell you the result. The bird is here with using this content aware move tools. I move it from here to here, and with using with patch tools, I create 6 copy from one part of that image. So, and not that really useful technique about the increasing the quality of your image is this one. From image, create choose a layer, image, adjustment, and Control M curves, and press it auto and click on auto and OK. The quality of your image you see for in this layer or at the first layer is you see at this layer the quality of this image is completely changed from this one to this one. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching and subscribing my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel because it's helped me to creating a lot of new things. Thank you very much. Goodbye.